In the heart of Orkney's Northern Isles, a wild and windswept welcome awaits. We've found a place with stories in its stone, and we're making it our home. We're chasing a dream from Indonesia to Orkney. Join us for wild island adventures and the soulful rhythm of life from sky, sea, and stone.
Okay, this episode we've arrived at our new house. We're going to make our new house a home. So you'll see us stripping walls, filling holes in the walls. You're going to see us get the plumber in. He's going to sort out our heating, thank goodness. So what you're going to see next is a montage of us. So we started off very ambitious. We've come to realise that actually getting things done on the island can be a little bit more, needs a little bit more logistics than originally expected. But that's okay. Now we know. Anyway, enjoy.
Boxes stacked and curtains drawn, echoes fading with each new dawn. Paint on our hands, plans on the wall. Little by little, we're making it all. This house is beams and bricks and stone. Love's the thing that makes it home. From morning light to evening's glow, we're stitching stories room by room. Photos framed, the kettle sings. Laughter tucked in everyday things. Books on shelves, shoes by the door. It's not just space, it's so much more. This house is beams and bricks and stone, but love's the thing that makes it home. From morning light to evening's glow, we're stitching stories room by room. It's not perfect, but it's ours, built with care and hopeful hours. Every creak and corner knows we're here to stay and let it grow. So here we are, and here we'll be. Home is more than what you see. This house is beams and bricks and stone, but love's the thing that makes it home. From morning light to evening's glow, we're stitching stories room by room. This house has been